Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Ify again, and I am back again with another video. Guys, today's video is going to be, I'm going to show you guys how to make baby food. This is semolina. This is the chief ingredient. This is semolina. This semolina is for kids. You can get it at your local supermarket. You can get it at your local store. You can get it supermarket or local store, or just look for it around your area and you will see it. It's not difficult to find. It's called semolino in Italy. So this is the milk I use for my baby. This is aptamil. So if you have any other brand of milk you use for your child, you can use it, but I use aptamil because aptamil, I believe aptamil is better for my child, and my baby eats aptamil very well. So guys, this is oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. You can get olive oil. Olive oil is used for making baby food as well. Then this is fruita. It's called fruita here. This fruita is for kids. This fruita right now is fruit, like blended fruit. You can either prepare it by yourself or you go and buy from the supermarket. Like this one, I bought it from the supermarket. You can get yours at the supermarket, or you can prepare yours by yourself. This is banana flavor. You can use any other flavor, but today I prefer to use the banana flavor. Then this is meat for kids. This is blended meat. This one is chicken. This one now is chicken recipe. Do you understand? It has different brands. It depends on the brand that you want. So you go for the brand that you want. If they have beef, they have pork, they have different types of different flavors. This one is the chicken flavor. This one is chicken. So I'm going to use chicken today. I have the beef at home here, but if you have any other one, or you can as well prepare this by yourself. You can prepare this by yourself actually. If you don't know how to prepare it, you can tell me in the comment section so I can make a video to show you guys how to prepare this meat basically for kids. So guys, yeah, this is just the ingredients for it. It's not something that it requires a lot of things. This is just it. Let's get into the preparation, okay? Let's go there. So guys, to prepare this baby food, this semolina for children, what you need to do is to put a clean pot on your fire. Then you start by adding your fruits. This is the fruita. If you like, you can use all. I cannot use all because my baby right now cannot finish one. He ate not too long ago, so I'm going to use half of this. I'm going to add half of the fruita is here. This is banana flavor, like I told you guys. Remember, in this pot I didn't add any water. It's just pot, nothing more, just pot. Then your milk, you add your milk. Add the quantity. It depends on the quantity your kids take. My baby can take, I am going to use 2 spoons. Then this is the semolina. I am going to add it. When you are adding it, you have to ensure that you put the right quantity, the quantity your child can eat. It doesn't mean you must not use the same quantity that I'm using. You can measure your quantity with spoon. So I'm going to use, this is 1 spoon. This is the second spoon. This is 2.5 spoons. Right now I didn't put any fire, like there is no heat here. It's just the pot here. I have not on my gas yet. So after putting it, then you add your meat. This meat I used to put all, like I like putting I use, it depends on the quantity that you want and the quantity you prefer for your child. So now it's time to mix it up with your spoon. Look at that consistency. Look at. Do you see the consistency? This is exactly the consistency you should be aiming for. No more, no less. Do not make it watery. Do not make it too thick. So right now that I've finished mixing it, let me turn on my heat, okay? Guys, I've turned on my heat. If you leave it, it's going to get burnt. So then at this point you have to add your oil. Guys, can you see what I told you guys before? Can you see? It's melting right now. It's becoming more watery than it was before. This is the reason why I said you must not make it, when you are mixing it, you must not make it too watery. So guys, it's done. I just turned off the heat. Look at that, guys. Can you see? So guys, can you see how it looks now? Can you see? This is the baby food, guys. This is semolina for kids. Let me give my son so that you guys will see how he eats it. This tastes so good. Like, the taste is out of this world. It's very, very yummy, honestly. You need to try this for your child. You need to try this for your kids. It tastes so yummy, guys. So guys, watch my baby eat the semo. Like I told you guys, here, let's see what I be here. Jason. So here is the semo that I prepared for him, and let me check. It's a little bit cold now, so it's time for my baby to eat it. Nah, I think it's hot. It's hot, but sorry, yo. Guys, this tastes so good. Like, sometimes I wish I would just prepare this for myself and just be eating it. It tastes so good. Like, you need to give this a try. My baby ate a while ago before I prepared this, like a few minutes before I prepared this food. But as you can see, he's still eating it, even though it's hot, but he's still eating it. Why? Because he can't just leave this taste, this delicious yummy meal, to go to waste. Nah, It tastes so good, guys. Like, you need to give your child this. This is so good for every child. Sorry, baby. And it contains all the nutrients